Gregorio Lazzarini was born 1657, died November 10, 1730, was an Italian painter of mythological, religious and historical subjects, as well as portraits, one of the most successful Venetian artists of the day, a prominent teacher, and father to a significant school of painting. He is best known for having first trained Giambattista Tiepolo, who joined his workshop in 1710 at the age of 14. His own style was somewhat eclectic. He was a prolific painter. He was reputed to be a patient teacher who imparted a broad knowledge of artistic styles for the portrayal of mythological and historical subjects. According to his contemporary biographer, Vincenzo da Canal, the young who desired to get ahead in the pictorial arts chose Lazzarini as their master. Other pupils of Lazzarini included Gaspare Diziani and Bartolomeo Ignazio Capello.